Welcome to our guide on deleting your Bet365 account. In this video, we'll walk you through the necessary steps and considerations. There can be various reasons for wanting to delete your Bet365 account, ranging from personal security to simply needing a break from gambling. In 2025, Bet365 has implemented new policies for account deletion that we will discuss to ensure you are informed. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process for deleting your account with Bet365. First, log into your Bet365 account and navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Account Closure option within your settings. It should be clearly labeled. Before you can delete your account, you will need to verify your identity to ensure the safety of your data. It's crucial to consider a few important factors before finalizing your account deletion. Another vital question is what happens to your remaining balance after you delete your account. If you ever wish to reopen your Bet365 account, there is a process in place that we'll cover shortly.